Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Samsung model and software version so you know available screensaver types. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is connected and the device is charging if you plan scheduled or app-based screensavers, because some require background downloads or extended power. Now open Settings and type Wallpaper or Lock Screen into the search bar to jump straight to the right section. This speeds the process and avoids hunting through menus, which you don't need right now. You choose the screensaver type next. Tap Screensaver and pick a built-in option or an installed app provider. Once selected, configure what shows: photo album, clock, colors, or live data, and set behavior like rotation, transition speed, and whether images shuffle. Make sure to preview changes so you see scale and cropping. Toggles control display on the lock screen and when the saver activates. After tweaking, set the timeout and save. This ensures the saver behaves exactly the way you expect it to. You finish by activating and testing. Enable screensaver for charging, docking, or at a scheduled time, then lock the device and watch for the preview to confirm activation. If your model supports scheduling or linking to bedtime mode, set start and end times so the saver runs only when desired. If it doesn't appear, restart the phone, confirm the saver app has required permissions, and update system or app software. These steps resolve most issues quickly and get you back to a working screensaver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.